Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and congratulations to the nominees and their families. Given the challenges which this administration is facing in court, record-breaking numbers of challenges, we can certainly understand why he wants a team on his side in the administration. Earlier this year, I asked Justice Department nominees a simple question: may a public official defy a court order? Shockingly, the nominees, including the future Solicitor General, John Sauer, refused to give an unequivocal response. Now, days ago, Mr. Sauer faced the same question, and he repeated this legal dodge before the Supreme Court of the United States. During arguments in a case challenging the president's illegal birthright citizenship executive order, Justice Barrett, known as a Trump nominee, asked Mr. Sauer if the administration would follow circuit court rulings. Mr. Sauer responded that the governor's policy is to, quote, generally respect circuit precedent, but not necessarily in every case. As our colleague Senator Kennedy said earlier this year, and I quote, don't ever take the position that you're not going to follow the order of a federal court. Ever. Mr. Geiser has been nominated to lead the Office of Legal Counsel, which provides legal advice to the President and all executive branch agencies. I want to hear what he believes that the policy of the federal government should be, and whether he can ignore court rulings that don't suit any president's whim. From day one, the administration has had one goal: bringing our immigration system to a breaking point. I will confess some prejudice in this matter. I am the son of an immigrant who came to the chairmanship of this committee. I'm proud of it. If you visit my office, you're going to find my mom's naturalization certificate behind my desk, making it clear to all visitors where I stand on the issue of immigration. I like to believe that my family and virtually all of the immigrant families have made this a stronger nation. Beyond unlawfully attempting to end birthright citizenship, which is enshrined in the Constitution, the administration has made it harder for legal immigrants to apply for citizenship and naturalize. This administration has made it harder for dreamers who want to do the right thing. Now, these were kids brought to the United States by their parents. They didn't make a conscious decision to get in the car and drive across the border. Their parents did. They've grown up here in the United States, showed up in the classrooms and pledged allegiance to the same flag we pledge allegiance to every day. It wasn't until they were teenagers that they knew the real reality that they face. They want to do the right things. They want to apply for programs like DACA so that they can receive work permits and continue to contribute to the American economy. I'm disappointed to hear that Mr. Edlow, who came by my office, nominated to lead USCIS, opposes DACA, when even President Trump claims that he doesn't want to deport dreamers. Despite his personal opinions, I want to hear how Mr. Edlow will ensure that USCIS will promptly process DACA applications of eligible dreamers. The administration has also ended temporary protected status for people who fled Afghanistan and Venezuela, falsely claiming these countries are safe to return to. These actions are cruel. In the name of carrying out Trump's mass deportation agenda, Attorney General Bondi has made the Department of Justice a shell of its former self. Thousands of federal law enforcement agents have been diverted from drug trafficking and violent crime to deporting immigrants who pose no threat to our safety. Mr. Woodward, nominated to be the number 3 official of the Justice Department, will oversee Justice Department grant making, the Civil Rights Division, and many other components now under attack. The Justice Department, at the direction of DOJ, took their chainsaw to hundreds of millions of dollars in federal grants to support public safety and our police. Programs supporting violence reduction, victim services, child protection, and substance use and mental health have been gutted. Ask law enforcement in your favorite community how you stop crime. They have an important job to do, and we know that. When we dial 911, we want to make sure that the right person is answering the call. But they will also tell you we cannot arrest our way out of violent crime. We need to do more. I believe that. For nearly 70 years, under Republican and Democratic administrations alike, the Civil Rights Division protected the civil and constitutional rights of all Americans. Once known as the crown jewel of the Justice Department, it has now been reduced to litigating a narrow set of cases aligned with the MAGA agenda. This is anathema to how this division has operated historically. I want to hear from Mr. Woodward whether the Justice Department will continue to capitulate or will it help restore the Justice Department's intended function, protecting the safety and rights of all Americans. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.